Alright, so this is equivalent to, this is about 3 mangoes in here. 3 mangoes cut up into pieces. Gonna head down to the dehydrator tray. Dun dun dun. Close this bad boy up. Just like that. And I believe it's 1:15. Yep. Plug it in. Cool. See you in about 8 to 6 hours. Check it. But usually it says, some of the websites says 20 up to 20 hours. Depending on how chewy or how hard you want it to be. But I'm gonna do 8 hours and see where it is after. So check back after 8 hours. Alright, it's been 10 hours in the dehydrator. It's pretty. Yeah. Alright, after 10 hours in the dehydrator, this is what the mango looks like. Let's see what it tastes like. It's not bad. It's crunchy. It's actually really good. Yeah. Sounds really in there. Yeah. Next time, I think I'm gonna cut them a little bit thinner because I cut them way too thick. But that's actually not a bad size. You know what I mean? Organic, natural, no salt, no preservatives, nothing. Just taking the moisture out of the mango in a really, really low temperature with the fan on so that the air actually circulates around. And I think that's key. Really good. Yeah. See if you cut it too thick, you see that? You get like a little bit of volume in there. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, like if you want to store it. Thank you for watching. As always, like and subscribe if you like these type of videos. I'm gonna go outside and have these snacks outside. I don't know if I'll shoot a video for that, but we'll see. Really, really good. Alright, until next time. Peace.